So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your GTA 5 using your 100% CPU or your screen is steering without VSync lag or your laptop is getting overheated because of GTA 5 and you're facing FPS drop. Now in order to fix all that, just simply go to the start menu and search for NVIDIA control panel. Inside the NVIDIA control panel, you need to simply go to the section of manage 3D settings. Once it gets open, go to the section of manage 3D settings. Inside manage 3D settings, go to the global settings option, or you can simply go for the program settings as well. Here you need to add a program and add Grand Theft Auto from this list. And if you're not able to find it, you can simply browse it as well. I would recommend you to do this for the global settings. And here, scroll down and click on this option of max frame rate, turn it on. Once you turn it on, just simply turn it on and set it to the maximum frame rates of your display. I would recommend you to set it to 58 FPS. Once you do it and you restart the game, you'll notice that all your issues related to that will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.